students, very warm welcome to Vedantu. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Anubha Gaur, chemistry master teacher at Vedantu, and we are going to do something very great today, something which is going to clear so many confusions in your mind, because this is about choose your career path, and you can clear all your doubts that if we like chemistry, how well we can do in future about our career aspects, what career aspects we can go for, so that it will be like samajh aaya, maza aaya kaam karne mein, and we'll be very happy in future also. Okay, this is high time to choose your subjects because you are approaching to 11th class, and your choice of subject will decide what career aspect you can choose. So ma'am is going to help you all out in terms of chemistry, that what career aspects you can choose using chemistry, right? So let's start our session with Anubha ma'am right now. And just a quick information everyone, as we all know that coronavirus is on its peak, and we at Vedantu is trying their level best to help you all out, that at your comfort sitting at home you can study with all of the amazing master teachers. So free access, something which is very important, please pay attention. Free access to all the live classes and content of Vedantu from 1st to 12th. So whatever class you all are in, you all can attend Vedantu's classes at your home just for free. If you need any confirmation, if you need any further information, just go through this link. Please just take a screenshot of the same, okay? You will definitely get it into your description box as well. Right? Clear है बात? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. As I told you, देखो Anubha ma'am really liked chemistry. That's why I chose one of the profession which is required if you have chemistry, है ना? So ma'am chose one. You can also choose apart from all the points we are going to discuss. I hope you all like chemistry. So with chemistry, what you all can do, these are some career aspects in front of you. तो क्या है? One is like using chemical engineer. You all can become. I mean, using chemistry, you all can become chemical engineer. This is one of the main thing we are going to discuss today. That how you can become chemical engineer. Ma'am will give you throughout all the data, what subjects you can study, what profile you can choose, what exams you can give for the same. Then forensic scientist also, I have few friends who are in this profession. Then toxicologist, then chemistry teacher or professor, which is one of the career aspect ma'am chose. Geochemist and material scientist. Some of the career aspects, यहाँ पे बात खत्म नहीं होती, there are many more. आज की क्लास में let's just understand about very first thing, that is chemical engineer, that if you want to be a chemical engineer, just tell me in the chat box how many of you want to become a chemical engineer. And some of you like, ma'am, to be very honest, we don't have a very clear idea about उसमें करेंगे क्या हम, और salary क्या मिलेगी, work culture क्या होगा and all. Okay, so just be with me. Ma'am will help you out to become a chemical engineer. Okay. So first point क्या है? First point is subjects you need in 11th and 12th are. सबको पता है, right? अगर chemical engineer बनना है 11th 12th, 11 में you choose your main subject. So physics, chemistry and mathematics, यानी कि PCM are the main subjects you will be definitely needing, and maths is something which is compulsory. So देखो chemistry and physics are like अधूरे without your mathematics. So maths कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ेगा. It will be better अगर उसपे कमान बना के रखो. Okay. So PCM we'll be needing in 11th and 12th. When you are done with your studies, thorough studies, one exam which you can give, that is engineering exam. मतलब 12th के लिए आपको JEE वाला पेपर देना है. Okay. तो यानी कि 10th के बाद जब 11th में enroll करोगे, main aim set करो. That is I have to give all the engineering exams because you want to become a chemical engineer. तो JEE, even state engineering exam you all can give. JEE right है ना? Joint entrance examination. Apart from that, engineering entrance examinations, Vedantu is also there for JEE, which is helping all the students in those aspects also. So you can join all the important courses. Fine. अब उसके बाद के मैम चलो ठीक है, we are done with our JEE exams. उसके बाद क्या, right? So when you're done with your JEE exams, maybe your state level engineering exams, and you get enough good rank to get chemical engineering in college, what course you can choose? Either a BE, Bachelors of Engineering, or BTech, Bachelors of Technology. Okay, BE or BTech you can choose. So what exactly we do in that course? It's like a 4-year course. Generally all engineering courses are of 4 years, right? It evolves around the concept of application of chemistry in day-to-day life. You all will be like, ma'am पढ़ेंगे क्या? Mainly about obviously chemistry. So it's more of like industrial application of chemistry. If you are working in a glass industry, polymer industry, biochemicals वाला industry, biochemistry भी पढ़ोगे, तो how and what kind of work culture will be there, what kind of study you will be needing for the same, उसका सारा information. Fine. तो chemical reaction throughout, सारी important chemical reaction, how you are going to substitute one substance to another, and how you are going to add certain substances, chemical technology, biochemistry and all. You can download the PDF to have a complete access for the same. Okay, तो ये क्या करोगे? ये पढ़ोगे, right? All the 4 year in every semester you will be having all the major subjects जहाँ पे chemistry के बारे में पढ़ोगे. Now you'll be like, ma'am, we are done with our 4-year course and we did a nice job. तो उसके बाद भी competition बच्चा लोग कभी खत्म नहीं होगा life से. We'll always stay motivated to be ready for all kind of competition, because when you will be in your 4th year of engineering, or are you like if you are done with your engineering, you have to give certain exams for getting a better workplace. Just like what? So if you are done with your, this 4-year program in 4th year, or after that, you can give a very important exams for all the engineers, that is GATE exam. Full form of GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test for Engineering. Okay, so GATE is a very important and very good test you can give. उसके अंदर आपका aptitude भी आता है, maths, reasoning and some English also. Apart from that, your subject also. Okay, 65 marks का subject होता है, 35 marks आपके general उसके होते हैं, general subjects के. Fine, if you have done well in that, you will get jobs in so many important and such, good workplace like some semi-government and government organization. They have all the possible good perks. So IOCL and ONGC are among those. Indian Oil Corporation Limited, IOCL, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, that is ONGC. You might have seen some of the offices or have read about the same. The annual salary is around 10 lakhs and more, around 10 to 12 lakh just for a fresher. That's great, right? So you can be an engineer in these firms, semi-government and government firm, which will give you all possible perk. They also give you the money for getting your shoes and for your clothes. Isn't it something great? Okay. Apart from that, then we have this Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited also, that we also call as BPCL, and HPCL, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. So HPCL and BPCL selection process apart from GATE could be a written exam and interview, and salary bar is almost same, thoda bahut kam zyada ho jata hai. You might have heard about this name also, that is SAIL, very big and one of the very prestigious authority and institute in India. So that is SAIL, that is Steel Authority of India. Steel Authority of India, again, GATE exam is the main exam through which if you get a very good rank, you can go through the same and your future and your life will be set. Okay. Apart from that, it's not that you only have jobs in India, but outside India also. Some of the name of company like American company DuPont, apart from that Goodyear, ExxonMobil, Bristol, 3M, American multinational companies. Some of the companies which hire chemical engineers, and salary can be per hour also in dollars, and in terms of year also around $1,15,000 you can earn, right? Great, है ना? So this is about other workplaces for the same outside India. So career options are not limited to only India, right? And average salary, if you talk about India in normal company, it will be around 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. That can vary definitely depending upon the city you are going to get. So Delhi and Bangalore are one of the very important and big cities. You can get approximately 50% hike from the same also. ठीक है? General बार है इंडिया में काम करने का, not like those semi government firm, normal firm की बात कर रहे हैं अभी यहाँ पे, ठीक है? Apart from that, so what exactly is, ma'am, future of chemical engineering? If we chose it, if you're doing work, so don't worry, till 2028, 6% growth is going to be there in case of employment only. Like, growth होगा ही होगा. It's not like that sector is going to come down, right? And demand for chemical engineers is basically upon demand of the product. जो जितने भी chemical engineering में जो भी हम product बनाते हैं through some catalyst formation, यानी कि catalyst fast and rate reactions, और अगर हम बात करें some new kind of molecules we are going to form, तो उनकी demand के base पे भी ये industry काम करती है. Okay, so this is the way chemical engineer, or I should say you can become a chemical engineer of future India. Okay, not India, you can go outside India also. I hope थोड़ा idea, I think बहुत ज़्यादा idea लग गया होगा that what exactly is the whole process now to become a chemical engineer and where you can see your future also, है ना? So please do appreciate it. Whatever the career options ma'am told you in very starting, ma'am is going to tell you each and everything one by one in detail. So next time we'll come up with another topic that whatever career option you think is suitable for you, you can go for the same. और knowledge होनी चाहिए, है ना बच्चा लोग? Knowledge is super important. Knowledge is the key of success, so that every path will be visible to you in front of you, है ना? Do like it as much as possible. Study with Vedantu because it is so accessible sitting at your home, even in this corona outbreak also, right? Please join the Telegram group also. This is the link in front of you. And as I told you, do like the video, share it with your friends who all are struggling for the same. And kya karna hai? Subscribe to Vedantu 910th, right? And you can reach out to me. This is my email ID. I hope every part is clear. We will meet very soon. Till that.